Welcome to another episode of Mechanics on Duty. Today we have a 2005 Honda Accord 6-cylinder. We're going to show you guys how to perform an oil change in the car. First thing that you're going to do is point the drain plug. The drain plug is going to be right here. If you can find it, you follow the engine oil with the little arrow. It's going to be right there. It's going to be a 17 millimeter. After you get it loose, you want to turn it. After you get it loose, you want to put your drain pan in the bottom and turn and release it. And I want to show you guys how to remove the filter. After the engine oil drain, you're going to put the drain plug back in the same place. Make sure that you get it by hand first, most that you can. Sure it go nice and smooth. You don't want to cross the thread there. Now we're going to take the 17 and we're going to tighten it. Make sure when you tighten the drain plug, you tighten it good, but don't over tighten because you're gonna damage the thread inside. Now, I'm gonna show you the oil filter. This is gonna be the oil filter I'm gonna be using. This is the tool that I'm gonna be using to release the filter. Now I'm gonna show you how to remove it. The oil filter, this car, you're gonna find on the side, right here. With this tool, we're just gonna turn it. After you got it loose, you can turn it by hand. Now we're gonna let it drain there a little bit before we remove it completely. Now after drain a little bit, we're going to remove the filter. Now we're going to put the new filter. Make sure that you take a little bit of oil, put it in the seal before you put it back in, because it's gonna make a better seal for you. Okay, this is the way that you want the filter. You want it nice and smooth. They're gonna go like this. You can move back and forth with your hand with no problem. Like that you can know you catch good thread. Now we're gonna tighten the filter. Remember that the filter always go hand tight. This one's the metal one. No by tool, no by nothing, just hand. Until that you tighten it good. That's it. Make sure that you have a good grip on it. That's why Now we're gonna remove the oil cap. We're gonna use a 5W20 full synthetic in this car. This guy gonna take 5 quarts of oil. That's one. It's two. That's three. That's four. This is number five, the last one. Now we want to put the old cap back in the car. Make sure that you guys put the old cap back. And that's it. Hand tied too. And that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. How you do a 2005 Honda Accord 6 cylinder oil change.